I'll show you how to tell.
Oh look, it's Steve. It's a Steve. Hello. Hey Steve.
It's a long trip for you, right?
They don't want to crap on the carpet.
Hi. Hello. 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 Free bird. Hey you. Hello. Another Steve. Look, there's a bunch of Steves in here. Some Conyers, not Gen Day Conyers. Hey.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. Kim, ladies allowed.
I hear you up there, little Steve's cousin.
Okay. Red trash. All right, thank you. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Good luck with the bird, okay? How much are what? Male canaries depends on what color. So, the cheapest birds are green birds, they go for 30 each. The reds are 55 each.
Hey, pretties. Pretty birds. Hey, pretty birds.
Okay, sure. That will be $10. Hello, man, right? I'm just kidding.
You can go around the other side if you want. I'm assuming every one of them are heads.
Normal, it's hard to tell. I can tell they're not. This one here looks all for the male, the other two definitely. That is 100% male. Now, it's flapping around.
I will put you in your little crate.
Hey there. Perching. You're freaking a perch? What are you doing? Hello. It's not a real bird, it's just a toy. I thought it was real at first. Look at that. Ain't that funny? They got cool toys too. All of them are like too big for Steve. I don't even know if we're gonna like buy any more here. These toys. Now that's something a big parrot would like. Jeez. Steve would get scared to death by it. These are his favorites. Elves. They're everywhere. Maybe we end up buying him like a small toy. Just like at the Christmas Bazaar, this place is packed. Wow. Quack, quack. Hello. Hello. It's a pretty bird.
Actually, this one's probably a bird.
Fighting.
No.
I'm okay with
Because the
that.
head's real small. This might be a boy, but it could be puffed up too. Yeah, this is like a little piranhas.
Yeah.
They're veggies. What do you want?
I found someone's guest key to the room. It says 520G on it. You get at the front desk door. 520G. It looks like a guest pass.
Out of this group, it's a guess, but if you're going to change something and make it sweet, you want something else to go. So I choose one of those.
Finding a lot of Steves today. Hey there. Hello. Hey. Hey, Barrett. Can I get at least one of you to talk on camera? That'll be cool. Say hello. I'm busy finding car. Hey. Hello, birdie. I'm over here behind you. Hello. Hello.
You step up. Oh, don't put that.
Ooh. Now that's adorable.
I'll send Robert a private message.
Yeah.
Look, the birds are attacking the cat. Aw, too bad he wants to join all the fun, but he can't.
My first bird's this guy here. His name's Allie. He's a sunny. He's an African bird. He's very quiet. He does talk. He has a little kazoo voice, but he's very loving and trusting. And to get a bird to lay on their back, I mean, you got to give them your love and affection, and they got to really, really trust you, because this is the most vulnerable position for a bird, because these poor guys are prey animals. There's lots of things that want to eat them in the wild. So this was my first guy. This started. It's like potato chips. You can't have just one. I got this one, and I thought, hey, that's cool. Let's look at some bigger ones. This one here, this is a scarlet macaw here. I got one of these after I had this one. I mean, yeah, right. Why did I jump that? I don't know. I'm a guy. So I got one of these. Now this one was a baby one I got. I didn't know anything about bird rescue or anything, so I got this one from a breeder. Her name's Abby. She loves me. But she's very leery of you guys. She don't know where you guys came from. Now, everybody looks at her and says, oh, the poor bird. I mean, it can't be healthy. What is it, stress? I said, no, the bird's fine. The bird's very healthy and very happy. Have you not ever been naked and happy? That's where she's at. So she's a character. She runs back and forth. I go out to the fish place here in Centerville on Saturdays, and she runs along a little 3-foot wall, running over to people just to cuddle with her. I mean, she's a big cuddle bug. But they are a lot of work. I mean, you got to spend time with them. These are flock animals, so when you have a bird like this, it's going to want to be with you, because you're going to be part of the flock. And they want to interact. They like to be out in where is going on. I mean, you don't stick them in a closet, stick them in a corner. So that being said, now this is a wild girl here. This is Daisy. She owns me. I got a tattoo of her on my arm, and now I'm her property. So you'll watch her watching me constantly. No matter where I go, her eyes are on me. She wants to know what I'm doing and why I'm not picking her up. But, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's Daisy May. So, yeah, so she owns me now, and she does tell me what to do. Now she's a Catalina. Okay, she's a mix between a blue and gold and a scarlet. So wave high. Wave high. No, you wave high. I don't want you to say it. Wave with this one. Wave high. Here. Give me a kiss. She's a good girl, but she's very bossy. Again, like a spouse. She pushes me around, but I'm okay with that because, yeah, it's not sick of me.
Hey there. Hello. Hey. What's up? Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Yeah, an apple gray.
Take a picture.
Hello. Hello.
Play that game. No? You don't want to play that game?
Hey there.
Your babysitting.
Hey, you're live? Hello. Hello. How you doing? Oh. Hi. You too. You too there. Hi. Hello. Are you talking to me? Ooh. I'm gonna startle you. Hello. Hello, little bird. Hello. Hi. Hey. Hello. Hey, Polly. 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 Polly Parrot. Polly Parrot. Wake up, Polly. Polly. Now that's what I call an interesting, fluffy, fake toy parrot. What is this, a puppet or it's like one of those things? Yeah, if you want to do a video showing parrots you can't get the real ones, get these and put them in the background. Interesting advice for you. Oh, look at the stuff happening gray in the sweater. Oh. These.
Taking pictures now.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Filming my babies? You gotta put one of these hats on you and get a picture with a hat on.
Quiet, Steve. Every bird loves a slinky. You gotta get them a slinky. I wonder if Steve may get terrified by this. I hear him again over there. Yeah, I have a son calling you named Steve. That's why I'm keep calling it that. Hey, remember you always hate, like, have your parents force you to take medicine on a spoon? Well, these are like interesting toys for parrots. And look at these, I've never seen these before. Those are like weights for birds, except they pick up with their beaks. So if you want your parrots to be like an Arnold Schwarzenegger, give them these. Like these would be good for a big parrot. Like, again, my bird would not like the idea. Maybe these small things, yeah, with dice. Those are really cool.
It's the only thing I had with it. I need to rig this up. Yeah, I don't want to rig this anymore because this is what I get in trouble with.
Okay, we're gonna leave soon, but here's like an overview of the whole expo. I didn't show like everything, but yeah, like that. That's how big it is. I guess they like hold this thing like twice a year. I don't see the conure right now, but I'll end this at the house with my little bird. So much so for getting back later today. We got back at 9:20 p.m. because we stopped for lunch and we went on shopping trips and stuff. And let's see if you can see Steve, but I don't want to turn on the light. But no. Steve, you can't see him, but Steve, wanna come out? Wanna come nearby? You're in his house. You're in that little bed. Yeah, well, there's no way I can light this up unless I can do this in post, but yeah, just want to let you know that I got back, and I'll put this video up as soon as I can. I'll catch you guys next time. Oh, and I'll show later what his cage will look like as soon as possible, because we bought him a lot of new toys, and you're gonna be amazed. And then you can see Steve clear better. And here's a light to the hallway, so I'll end here.